Most people get this wrong. They think Capital O is just another quick loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Capital O has become a versatile financial platform, offering early wage access, flexible installment options, and budgeting features to help users make smarter financial decisions. Here's how it works. Capital O allows users to access part of their earned wages before payday, often within hours. This can help cover unexpected bills, urgent purchases, or emergencies without relying on high-interest credit cards. Certain purchases can also be split into smaller, manageable payments, helping you stay on top of monthly expenses. The app is user-friendly. You can track advances, see repayment schedules, and analyze spending patterns. Notifications help ensure timely repayments, preventing fees, and keeping your financial habits on track. The downside? Overusing Capital O can be costly. Frequent advances or missed payments may result in fees that add up quickly, so it's best used as a temporary solution rather than a long-term financial fix. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only take advances or installment payments you can realistically repay. 2. Keep repayment notifications active. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on the app. Who benefits most? Users with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, Capital O in 2026 is a practical and flexible tool, but only if used wisely. Track your spending, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a short-term aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable money tips to stay in control of your finances.